Forbingus.
Oh, what a weary place this is. I, the great wizard Forbingus, have been banished, and it seems the place I must pass through now is the forest of amphibians. The air is thick. Let us hope that I can find some peace as I pass through these lands.
Har, lads, and what have we here? A gingivitis-laden scoundrel trying to pass through the lands of Captain Black Flag.
Ah, Captain Black Flag, I have heard word of your exploits across the land. For what reason do you bar my path?
I am on a quest to acquire the great frog of avarice. If you find the great frog of avarice and bring it to me, then I will allow you to pass through these lands unhindered.
It seems a fair proposal. Tell me where I may find this great frog of avarice.
Arg, it's big and blue.
Like that frog right there.
Yes, arg, but bigger, much bigger. You'll know it when you see it.
Very well then. I will go find this great frog of avarice and bring it to you. Ah, what a troublesome endeavor this is. There are many frogs here, many of which are blue even, but none fit the description provided to me by the captain. Oh, what's that over there? That is big, and it is blue. But alas, it is not a frog. Ye gods, it is a great and terrible azure drake. Scatter, frogs, for I am not sure if I can handle this foe. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Now, how about you, azure drake? Oh my goodness, I think it is the great frog of avarice before my very eyes. Indeed I am, but now is not the time for us to meet. That comes later, Forbingus. We will meet again, wizard. I am unaccustomed to receiving such cryptic messages from frogs. Captain Black Flag, I encountered the great frog of avarice. It was quite a spectacle.
Arr, I watched the whole thing. You let the great croaking abomination escape. No one lets my quarry go. Prepare to feel the wrath of the land pirates.
You tell 'em, boss. Ah, treachery, is it? I am quite familiar with this now. Have at me then, you rapscallions.
Paddle twins, bring out me cannon.
Yeah, sure thing, boss.
We'll get that cannon right out, boss. Yeah, it's ready, boss. Grey Bombardier, I summon thee. Aha, for the Carolinas. Feel my wrath, wizard.
Oh no! All right, you Confederate calamity. I cast Magic Mist.
Hey, that stings a little. Ah. I'm gonna fire my cannon.
Oh gosh, that really hurt.
Well, boys, we did it. We defeated the wizard, Forbingus. Now he'll be forced to join the crew, just as all of you were. Ha ha. Man, I did all the work. The crew always seems to do all the work. You're just kind of a tyrant, aren't you, Captain? Oh, hush your mouth and take him to the land brig. I volunteer to take him, sir. I, Slippery Sal, shall take him to the brig for you. Ah, all right, Slippery Sal, but no hijinks or tricks or anything underhanded like you usually do. All right, old man, let's go.
Oh, I feel like I was shot with a cannon.
Oh, don't be such a baby. You're fine now, after all.
And who are you that speaks to me? Why, you were with those pirates.
Don't worry. I am on your side. I was only tagging along with them under the orders of a very wise individual. You can trust me.
And who is this individual that you speak of?
He is none other than Dr. Schmore.
I am Dr. Schmore. Ye gods, a giant mouse.
Ah, do not let my appearance fool you. I am actually a giant rat, but that is not important. What is important is that you met the great frog of avarice. I'm over here now. For one of the 3 great frogs to appear before you means that your destiny is intertwined with the fate of the world, Forbingus. We will nurse your wounds and then set you back upon your path.
Okay.
What interesting things we have seen today, brother. Kablooey! Yes, very interesting indeed. Let us report to our wicked masters. They will be very pleased to hear our report. The day of reckoning is at hand. The great frog is revealed. Yes, one of the 3 great frogs are revealed. Take that.